Get rid of those old can lights with the incandescent bulbs and upgrade to LED for super cheap. Go and buy yourself a box of these. You can find them on Amazon for pretty cheap. We got the 12-pack.
You want to make sure that the power is off to your light. And then you're going to make sure the light bulb's not hot and unthread your light bulb. All right, and now you're going to take this piece from your kit and you are going to thread that into the socket. Not too tight, not too loose, just like you would a light bulb. All right, and you see this piece right here? This is the next step. On your light, you have a little attachment like this. It's going to slide into there. Okay, just like that. In your old can light, you are going to take these and slide them in just like so on both sides. Make sure this is tucked in. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. And you're just going to push up, make sure it's snug up against the ceiling, and turn on your light. See the difference? A huge difference from your old incandescent can light to the new LED, and it's super easy to do. You don't have to mess with too much wiring, and it makes such a big difference when it comes to lighting.